What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add PMP link to your LinkedIn profile. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in LinkedIn. After typing, you will see this first official website of LinkedIn. Click on this website and after clicking, you will see three options of sign in with Google, continue with Microsoft or sign in with email. You can choose anyone from these and you can log in or sign in according to your wish. Or if you are new to LinkedIn, click on this join now beside the new to LinkedIn question mark. After that, you need to enter your email, your password, and other credentials to make an account on LinkedIn. So after that, when you are signed in or logged in, and when you are at the home page, on the right side at the top, click on your profile icon and then click on View Profile. And after coming here on the View Profile, click on Add Profile section. Now, after coming to the Add Profile section, go to the Recommended section, and under the Recommended section, click on Add Licenses and Certifications. Now, from here, at the name of title, type PMP or you can type project management professional. After that, click on this and then type the organization issuing your PMP certificate. You can type in here, and after that, you need to type the issue date, like the month and the year of the issue date of your project management professional certificate, and the expiration date, and the credential ID given to your PMP certificate, and the credential URL that is also given in your PMP certificate. And then when you are done, just simply click on save, and it will save and display the PMP certificate on your LinkedIn profile. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.